I'm lucky enough every now and again to go and see the crews on location, but not very often. But when I have, it's been great fun. And going down into a submersible with great glass or perspex bubble down to 1,000 feet is very exciting. There are lots of new discoveries. I'm told that there are scientific papers being written by scientists for 20 of the episodes in which this, and certainly many of the stories that we've done could never have been filmed had it not been for the fact that scientists told us about them and helped us to see them. And so there are new things that have never been on television before because of the science research. And actually, there are also things that we were able to show the scientists that they hadn't seen before. So it was very fruitful. The world depends on the oceans. Most of the world's surface is covered by sea. We depend upon the oceans for the air, the health of the air that we breathe. We depend upon it from a high proportion of people in the world for the food that it provides us with. The oceans are extremely important to humanity around the world, and we aren't treating them well enough at the moment.
A Hollywood blockbuster at its best is a wonderful, entertaining experience. This is important for all of us. This is something that hopefully resonates with people in a way where it can change the world. And I think, look, when Sir David calls, you just see it as an honor to help him in one way or the other, to be a bridge between humanity and taking us below the surface, to meet our squiggly neighbors under, grew up with, watched over and over and over again. My kids watched it. We all watched it. And, ultimately, I mean, part of what Sir David does so incredibly well is he manages to have not just a message, but he manages to do it with art and incredible amounts of technology that nobody else has access to. So we get to see things which are right beneath our feet, which are completely and utterly surprising. Fictitious story. It doesn't matter how good it is or whatever, or how entertaining it is.